Sometimes, life can make you feel like you are lost in a remote forest, all alone, surrounded by unfamiliarity and filled with uncertainty. The trees block out the sun and confuse you, and everything you come across is hostile. The forest will never sit still and let you rest. It will constantly angle on you and look for a weakness. The only escape from the suffocating forest is the deep maze of caverns that rest below. You know that the only way to escape this hell is to go deep into those caves and face your demons, but you tremble at the thought. Time will pass. It will be hard to continue, and every day will feel like an uphill dredge. But every day you make it through, your legs will get a bit stronger. Little by little, you will build yourself up and learn to protect yourself from the forest. In time, you will even learn to ask your friends for help, and like all good friends, they will be glad to assist you toward your success. You will put in the effort needed every day. You will master your craft and your tools. With much practice, you will become unshakable, unwavering, fearless, ruthless, battle-hardened. You are ready for whatever challenges come your way, taking them all out, gloriously. Your arms are strong enough now to cut through them like butter. Their gods may grant them mercy, but you will not. Then, one day the dark caverns below won't seem so scary anymore. You are powerful enough to face whatever comes at you, and you will now have the light to guide the way. When you have faced all your fears, been to the deepest of caves and fought countless battles, the battles you have won and the scars you have gained will act as a reminder to the strength you have built inside you, and nothing will be able to even touch you again. Even when the forest throws its worst at you, you will emerge unharmed.
Looking good, Mr. Puffin.
What was in the pupil? What was in the...
The battles we face in our lives never cease to strike at us. But if we stay unwavering and true to our paths, we can all make our own escapes, even if it holds on with everything it has. We will look back at it and say, is that really the best you've got? Times are tough for a lot of people, and everyone is fighting their own monsters and demons. Be courteous to each other out there. In the dark and dangerous forest, a friend is always better than a foe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.